What is the best method for using vinegar to remove rust stains from stainless steel?
Hello everyone! Today we're going to delve into the world of household hacks by teaching you an effective, natural way to remove rust stains from stainless steel. And guess what? The secret ingredient is probably already in your kitchen: vinegar.
Why use vinegar?
Let's start by understanding why vinegar is a great choice for removing rust stains. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is mild yet effective at dissolving rust. It's also a common household item, making it cheap and accessible.
What you'll need.
Next, let's gather the tools and materials needed for the job. You'll need distilled white vinegar. This type of vinegar works best due to its high acidity. A soft cloth or sponge, to avoid scratching the stainless steel surface. Water, for rinsing. A dry towel, for drying the surface after treatment.
How to use vinegar to remove rust stains.
Now that we've gathered our tools, let's dive into the process. 1. Drench the soft cloth or sponge in the distilled white vinegar. Ensure the cloth is thoroughly soaked. 2. Wipe the rust stain with the vinegar-soaked cloth. Apply gentle pressure and move in the direction of the stainless steel grain. This helps protect the finish of the stainless steel. 3. Let it sit. Allow the vinegar to sit on the stain for 15 to 30 minutes. The acid in the vinegar needs time to react with the rust. 4. Rinse and dry. Thoroughly rinse the area with water to remove the vinegar and any remaining rust particles. Then, dry the area completely to prevent water spots and further rusting. And there you have it. You've just learned a simple, cost-effective, and natural method to remove rust stains from stainless steel using vinegar. Remember, the key is patience and gentle handling. By following these steps, your stainless steel should look as good as new in no time. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we look forward to sharing more household tips with you soon.